Lilipat na kami mga kaibigan. I'm still talking, love.
You said the kids. I'm sorry.
Hello. Nakamit kami ng kababayan natin dito sa Iceland. Nandito siya ngayon. Dito kami kumakain sa noodle station dito sa Iceland. Super yummy. Ito ang kababayan natin, oh. You need to show back our kababayan. Say hello. Yeah. It's a good food that we found our first stop. Our first stop here in Iceland. Yay! May kayon.
Take a bite.
I know. Super yummy. Ayan, halina na kayo mga kaibigan. Mangantayon. Si kababayan natin, oh. Dito siya nagwo-work sa Iceland. Dito na siya lumaki daw. Oh, ayan. Nakahanap kami ng noodle station.
It will let you know it's got spice. Yeah. Or maybe the garlic's good.
We're stopping here in the first waterfalls. Yay! It's beautiful! Can you see me, mga friends? I'm here! Yay! Yay!
No. Mom? Are you voting?
I think that's
No.
the one we were gonna see if we went farther east.
Ooh, next picture. Ready?
Wait, you didn't say what the heck? No.
No.
What's this one called?
Yeah, look up the name.
There's no... This is the beginning. There's no names yet. This is preparing you to learn about Iceland.
This is the side effect being in the airplane for 5 hours, guys.
So at the end of the trip,
Dad
we're
is
gonna
in
go back and watch this video and see if we
tell a
saw anything.
story. Telling us a story about
Ooh,
Iceland.
Good one. Again, no name, but
Yes.
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 Everybody said yes, so I go with yes.
Oh.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna stand on the corner like that.
No, it's not snow, but
So we're not gonna stand on the corner like that. But we
So
won't see
that's
that.
showing Lakay is showing some pictures of Iceland book.
It's outside.
If
No.
we pick those to go
No, that's an island.
visit
No,
or
we're
not.
Seeing all of that.
So
We
we're seeing
did.
We're seeing the south side.
We flew in already.
Yeah, we saw like
Clouds.
nothing the entire time.
Ready?
Okay.
No.
I feel like we've seen that.
That's like the north side.
Yeah, it looked like we passed
No, that's the
earlier.
North side.
I don't think.
No, I think it's that mountain right there.
Yeah.
Where's the beach?
Ooh.
The dog food's not too bad.
Yes.
Is it the one that starts with an S?
Yes.
Yes.
We're gonna go see that?
Journey said so.
Possibly yes. Let's go for a 60-40. It might have been the one we kicked out of the
We are in what you call this place that we're staying?
Iceland.
Right, Reykjavik.
No, I mean this house.
Somewhere cold Iceland.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Somewhere cold.
Ready?
Right there.
That's where we are.
Really? Is that where we are?
No.
Looks like it.
Here we go.
Wait.
Okay.
Where'd you
Yes.
put it?
Yes.
That's the one that we just take a pictures earlier.
No.
The-
Put it, Jen.
Look how close they are to the
Yeah,
water.
you see the people? That's how we're gonna
That's how
walk.
tall it is.
Yeah, that's the one where you have to bring extra clothes because
You're probably gonna
we
get
will get
wet.
wet.
Where's
With
that?
this cold weather, you're gonna get wet.
Yes.
Where is that?
It's right next to the door. You just have to push kind of hard on the door.
Ooh.
What about this?
No.
I cannot see.
No, that's east side.
Oh, they said no, so we're not going there.
Taste it.
Oh, it's
What's the name of that? Bra? Bra. Bra.
Oops. Is that it?
it's pretty cold.
It's cold.
What you drinking,
we
huh?
gotta check. Yeah,
It's colder than the one that's in here.
I want the raspberry. Oh, that's pretty cold.
It's not
Oh,
colder.
ready?
There.
Ready?
Yes.
Wow.
We are going to that
Are we
one.
going there?
On Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Outside is colder. This is outside.
Wait, what is today?
Yeah.
Today is Sunday?
Yeah.
We're going tomorrow.
Oh,
Part of the
tomorrow?
Golden Circle.
The geyser? Yeah.
Yes.
The geyser. They call it geyser.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Are
that's
we
the one
going
you go
there?
behind.
Oh, that's the one that we have to go behind.
Yes.
Nice.
5 minutes, Trina.
I don't know. I want the raspberry one. Thanks,
We can
Auntie.
share.
Yeah,
We get. There's glasses over there. Just
We'll
split
share
it.
the first one on this one. The other one's cold.
Oh, it's very limey, very zesty. This first one.
Man, you're so slow.
I gotta find out.
Wow.
Whoa,
Look like a
that looks-
chocolate.
Ooh,
Whoa.
it's like the chocolate mountain.
Yeah.
And Bohol.
Chocolate mountain.
Chocolate.
Is this for mixing?
Chocolate.
or-
Chocolate hills.
That's my energy drink for you.
There's some Doritos
Ready?
on the floor. This is where we're staying for tonight, guys.
Anybody else want some dog food?
Is that a lava field?
If that's a lava field, yes.
Lava Field, we're going there.
It's on one of the lava fields.
Oh, it smells zesty, but it's sweet.
This is where we're staying tonight. Home sweet
What do you
home.
think? You think we'll see that,
Really.
guys?
Yes.
Home sweet home.
I do.
We're going with yes.
That's good.
Vacation home for
Smell it
tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, like grape.
And
Uh-huh.
Dad found some books for Iceland
really good.
adventures. And he's
Oh,
showing
yeah.
where we're
No,
No,
going.
that's the one you wanted to go to,
Oh,
but
yeah.
we can't.
That's the one I wanted to go to. That was east.
It's too far of a drive.
Why? What was so interesting about that one?
Look at the.
There's-
Look at the
The rocks look like
Rocks.
hexagons.
on the top right there.
Let me see. Let me see.
Well, that's an extra
Yeah,
hour.
that's what I wanted to go to, but it would have been a 5-hour drive.
Wow, 5-hour drive.
Drink, you guys.
Let's
I
taste
thought
this.
I thought me and Archie.
Smell it first and then taste it.
Oh, it's not alcoholic. Like cold enough yet.
They're getting lasing na. And then tomorrow is a
I don't think you'll like
headache.
it. That tastes
And tomorrow is hangover. Hey, don't get drunk tonight because we have to watch for the northern lights, guys.
I don't know what we're
Dad
gonna do
just said there's
until
no alcohol in it, so we gotta make sure.
No alcohol? Okay.
You want more chips?
Still 30 more minutes before.
I thought we were just gonna put it in a glass.
Alright. I think
Wait,
we just
one
have
more.
one more. We just have to wait for the northern lights
Oh, what is
if we get
that?
lucky tonight.
I don't
What
think
is
so.
that?
I think it's a geyser. Oh, that's
No,
where
that's
the
lava.
Is that where the volcano's active in?
I believe so.
It's so gassy, but it's good.
Remind you.
Good morning mga kaibigan. Ito ang view ng aming tinulugan kagabi. We are in the mountain mga kaibigan. It's beautiful view. Yes, it is. At ito ang pinag-istihan namin kagabi na bahay. Buong bahay mga kaibigan. Dito sa Iceland. Nandito na tayo mga kaibigan sa Iceland. Oh. Ang ganda ng view pero super lamig mga friend. It's super maginaw. It's super burr. But look at the view. My goodness. Yan ang view dito. This is the view where we staying last night. And look at the mountain. Have a snow. This is the place we stayed last night. This is our house. It's beautiful, huh, mga friend? Look at that. Good morning. Ang lamig at super windy. It's so windy here in Iceland since yesterday when we got here. It's been raining and windy. Oh my goodness. Balot ako mga friend. Ayan si RJ nasa bintana. He's taking video also. The view for the mountain. Oh my gosh. Balot na balot si kaibigan niyo mga friend. Ang ginaw, grabe. Pero nagustuhan niyo ba mga friend ang view? Ang ganda, di ba? Oh. Super. Tapos dadalhin ko kayo dito sa other side. There's some horses. Napaka-healthy ng mga horses dito. oh, nawala na sila. Baka inuwi. Pero ayan oh, ang view to this side. Ayan oh, di ba? Ang ganda mga friend oh. Wow, super. I-update ko kayo uli mga kaibigan sa aming sa aming iba pang mga adventures ano dito sa Iceland. No? Ayan. Good morning, good morning.